Hello everybody, you're viewing Usitility, Gamer's favorite channel. Now let us learn how to download and install the War Robots on PC, therefore, we can begin to play with keyboard and mouse even on a large screen. Setting up this Android OS game on laptop is absolutely easy. You are viewing it on screen, and you may see how it is actually running. Let me just begin. First of all, start any specific web browser such as Google Chrome and you have to click on the website given in video description. If you would like to see the URL clearly, here it is. You will automatically be forwarded to this page of BlueStacks War Robots. Set up War Robots on your laptop by using BlueStacks. It is an Android emulator, which emulates tablets as well as Android mobiles, therefore we can use a mouse and keyboard, utilize a big screen, etc. We click the Download War Robots for PC button, and the download will begin. The download is complete, this is the file. We click on this file to open it. If permission or terms displayed on the screen, then you'll definitely need to respond with yes and then accept these. Let me minimize the browser, therefore we can see the installer much better. Now I'll select the directory where I have to install the game. If you need to customize the directory, you'll then only push Customize Installation. Then, go here on Back and press Install Now. Depending on your net connection, it'll be faster or even slower. It'll then set up the emulator on the system. The installation is complete. Patience is needed the very first time only, since the computer will make a few vital configurations for BlueStacks. Don't miss to see the next step. Here's an option for Google Play, sign in, you need to go here. When you will click it, you will be asked to provide the necessary information to log into Google Play. You can't still install this game without sign in because it's a Google Play game. We're also going to log in now. In this particular step, we'll just log into the Google account. We now have logged in Google Play account. To continue installation, we accept the terms of use by pressing I agree. We do not want to make the system backup, and so we will select the No option. The device works just like a tablet or cell phone, and that's why it shows the same options as you can see in your mobile's Google Play. Anytime you want to go to the computer's desktop, press on this particular arrow. Note that the two icons are now being exhibited here that are BlueStacks as well as BlueStacks Multi-Instance. If you want to launch the BlueStacks app, then press the BlueStacks icon. It is the time to actually install War Robots on PC in order that we'll enjoy this enjoyable game on a big screen. We will check out Google Play and click Install. You know that there are a number of premium tools that you have to buy in the game, and so for that, you will need to select payment mode in Google Play. In the meantime, we would like to continue without customizing payment mode, and hence we'll hit on Skip. The game installation has been started out, and now, the game will be downloaded in the system. In case you have swiftly internet connection, it won't take too long to download War Robots. Therefore let me cut and wait for the download to end. So, it is now completed installing, and as you can see, it's now made an additional icon on the desktop, War Robots, that will permit us to access the game without the need to open the BlueStacks. I will click on this BlueStacks icon to begin the game. You can even customize the configurations of the keyboard from right here. Because we are not interested to customize keyboard options, and we will keep them as it is. If you want to play War Robots in large screen mode, then we will certainly recommend two easy solutions. This is to expand the emulator, you will get a full screen with a border. However, if you'd like to get a 100% big screen, then this particular option is not good. By pressing F11, you will get a 100% full screen for the game. In order to play the game without any disruption, then playing in the full screen mode is the ideal solution. We simply recommend playing War Robots in an emulator in case your laptop is ultra powerful enough. Want to know how you can change the language? Let us realize it. To change the language, select this cogwheel and press on Preferences. In the drop-down menu, choose the game language you are looking for. I've eventually changed the game language, C. Anyway, here's the game set up. Really easy. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumb up, give it a good like, subscribe if you like the Usitility channel, and any feedback you've left in the comment box, and we will reply. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll be back in a new video. Bye.